Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. Just want to make a quick video lesson going over my trade on Celz today. This was right out of the watch list. Was watching it for a 390 break. I was expecting it to be a little choppy or maybe make a late day move, considering all the volume that it had to kind of filter through with the breakout here. On this one day, it had a lot of volume. Still made a move today. A little choppy considering how much just kind of baggage there was at each level. It had a really hard time heading higher. You had a couple solid moves, but overall, it was kind of an exhausting play. But for me, it really wasn't. Trading it in the morning was pretty good. I traded it in this little bunch here. It took me a few minutes. I was playing it as the 390 breakout, saw the double bottom here, and then came back. Volume started kind of picking up a bit, and it was chopping around, holding 4, making a higher low, right around 406 open price, as well as the vwap level, right around there. So it had a few things kind of lined up in support of it. So when it kind of failed to break down here, I actually started off with a quick what do you call it? Start as it perked back here. Then I added again in this mess, and then just sat on my hands for a bit, put my advance orders, just had them set. So when it reaches my exit point or my stop, it just gets me out. Was just relaxing. A few minutes later, I get out at 450. My average was 408. So pretty good trade there on 1,000 shares, 420. In a few minutes, right around 7 o'clock, called it a day. Um, Plenty of other plays out there, but just take your quick gains and let them compound over time. So pretty good lesson there with the open price and how key support levels, when they all kind of bunch up, um, make the trade a lot easier here. So it did end up having a nasty dip and coming back, but nonetheless, 390. That was right there near the low of the day. 380 was the low of the day. Never saw this point again. So it really confirmed the bottom here. But this double bottom, for me in the morning, that was the key. If it were to break that down, it might have been a play later on if it failed to totally break down. But in the morning here, when this made a higher low at that breakout level and then it came back, a little bit of volume came in. We got a low flow already, so it is capable of quick moves like this. Um, you just got to really keep an eye on it because the next level, not too far ahead, you got 406, 16 cents higher. That's not bad of risk either. So if you're buying in this area, you could be risking off nearly the day lows with potential for it to touch 5 or higher. In this case, I just take my quick gains. Regardless, it would still be roughly 3 to 1 risk reward. So quick little move here, but good lesson on volume and how watching technical analysis here with the higher low, double bottom, and the grind back holding these key levels. You get this coil back here and a quick move higher. And even, let me take a look here. I did not take a look at the 5-minute chart. We'll do that together right now. So yeah, you can kind of see it again here in the momentum here. You get some aggressive selling right out the open, but doesn't really budge. It has a quick little spike, but then it instantly dips, doesn't fade that far off the open price, and instantly starts coming back. And you start getting some decent buying. It gets to try to have another push down, but as you can see, almost no selling behind that. So there wasn't much power on this short side, selling side to push this lower, and then buyers pick up from there, and it holds up, and that's where you get that double bottom, higher low on that 1 minute, and from there, volume comes in, as you can see, more buying, and then it exhausts itself here. Is that the most volume it did all day? Yes, with the most volume it did all or in that 5-minute period. So yeah, decent lesson here. Eyeing key levels, open price is a key level in the morning, or regardless, any time of day, but I like trading it in the morning. Gives you a good idea of where the momentum is, if it's going to be heading lower or higher. If it's green on the open price, that might scare some people out, some shorts out, and invite some buyers in, as that is showing some momentum, especially after shorts try to take over and they can't, and it starts coiling back. That could be a recipe for a short squeeze. And sometimes with some of the bigger movers, early in the morning, that's also what do you call it? Big buyers. They come in early, like the first half an hour, and then like the last half an hour, typically. So watching that open price, other big traders are probably watching that as well. So you gotta keep an eye on the open price, as that could give you a gauge for where the momentum of the day might be. Sometimes it is just a quick short squeeze, but in this case here, it was so choppy around. You could end up playing it again late day as it fails to break down. And you get another quick move here. But yeah, I'm starting to ramble a bit. Main thing I want to go over with this trade was being picky, the solid technical analysis, and how that was a giveaway. You got this beautiful double bottom. Shorts can't take it lower, and it confirms the breakout level. More volume comes in, and you get a quick move, and I take my quick 10% or so, and that's all you need. So, good start to the week, and we'll just wrap it up there.